Hi everybody, welcome back to another lesson in my level 3 beginner piano course. In this video we're going to learn Czerny's Chromatic Study in F, which is from opus 599, number 56. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so, and if you like what you see, give this video a thumbs up. Also, I offer online piano lessons. If you're looking for one, there's going to be information below. This chapter is all about chromatic scales, and we learned about the chromatic scale in the previous lesson. So this Czerny exercise is really a fun and very quick exercise that requires dexterity, agility and virtuosity to play it nice and quick. And it's in the key of F major, so every B is going to be flat, and it says allegro, so fastish, and we are in 3/8, so 3 eighth note beats or quaver beats in every bar. Let's have a look at the first two lines. The left hand is playing merely the accompaniment, the chords, which are in staccato form, and as you can see, the same chord is played for 8 bars. So it's just an F major chord, F, A, C. You can play this with 4-1-2 or 5-3-1. It doesn't really matter, whichever feels more comfortable. And we're starting 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and so on for 8 bars. And make sure the staccatos are nice, light and gentle, but still very bouncy. You play gently because the right hand is going to be more important, and be careful with the double notes so that they go down together instead of like a lousy articulation. You don't want that. And that's the left hand in the first two lines. The right hand is a lot more interesting. It has the chromatic scale, and as you can see, we have an octave sign above, so the entire 8 bars need to be played an octave higher. So the starting note is A, but an octave higher is this A, and we're going to start with the chromatic scale all the way up to A, so 1 octave, and it's all 16th notes or semiquavers. Remember the fingering, 1 on all the white keys, 3 on all the black keys, and we're going to use 1 and 2 when there's no black between the whites. So 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1. And that's our chromatic scale going up 1 octave. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And here we have 3 eighth notes. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And the slur. The second one is the same but starts on F. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And here we finish on B flat falling onto A and G, G sharp before. So you really want to practice these two chromatic scales with the endings many times until it flows very evenly. It doesn't need to go fast in the beginning, just evenly. And make sure the thumb is not too heavy, like. So make sure the thumb is light and the sound is even. And when you manage that, you're going to put it hands together. The left hand is bouncing, but the right hand is staying legato throughout. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, F. And that's the first two lines. Going on to bar 9, the second two lines, the left hand has a few new chords. We have a C7 chord, so E, B flat C, E, B flat C, back to F major. And now a C7, but with a C, E, B flat, and finishing on an F major chord. The right hand stays still an octave higher, so that's the G notated, and that's it an octave higher. So number 2, and we have little trills. These are kind of 1 bar trills, and bouncing up at the end. So down, connect, and bounce. And these are going to move up and down. So G, C, A, F, G, C, F, C, and coming down with a beautiful F major arpeggio, staccato. So very lightly these little trills and bounce up at the end of each trill, hands together. And that's the end. So not too difficult notes-wise, but to get the chromatic scale, if you're not used to it, it's going to take a while to get it nice and smooth, especially with the left-hand staccatos. And if you manage to play it nice and even all the way through, then by all means, try it a little bit faster every day, and obviously as long as your hands allow you to, if not at the expense of clarity and evenness. And if you do manage to get clarity and evenness faster, you can go quicker and quicker. And then it's going to sound even more fun.